In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Steam Mobile Authenticator without a phone. If you've lost access to your phone, replaced it, or simply want to switch back to email codes, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to handle it safely using the Steam Desktop app. We'll keep things simple and clear so you know what to expect at each step. Start by opening the Steam app on your PC. At the very top of the window, you'll see the menu bar. Click on Help. From that drop-down, select Steam Support. This takes you to Steam's built-in support portal, which is the hub for all account and security settings. On the Steam support page, choose My Account. This section is where Steam keeps all the tools related to your login, security, and preferences. Next, click Steam Guard. Steam Guard is Steam's security layer that helps protect your account from unauthorized access, and the mobile authenticator is one way it verifies you. Now click Manage Steam Guard Settings. This page outlines your current protection and gives you options to change how Steam Guard works for your account. Here's the key part: you will see the option to remove Authenticator. Selecting this will remove the mobile authenticator from your account and typically switch you back to receiving codes by email. If you prefer to completely disable additional security, you can choose Turn Steam Guard off instead. Keep in mind, turning it off entirely is not recommended, as it reduces protection and may impact trading or market features with additional holds. Removing the authenticator, on the other hand, keeps Steam Guard active via email, which is safer than turning it off completely. Select the option that fits your needs, then follow the prompt to confirm. Confirmation ensures that you're the one making this change and helps protect your account from unwanted modifications. After you confirm, Steam will apply the change and update your security method accordingly. That's it. If this helped, feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to adjust your security settings. Thanks for watching.